Hey beauties, today I'm going to show you 2 ways that I use our brand new fig or bitty jelly. First, in the morning as a milky cleanser. Firstly, I wet the skin with warm water, then I grab a chickpea-sized amount of product and emulsify it in my hands. I then rub it in circular motions around the skin, which helps to wake up my skin. Once the jelly has done its magic, I rinse off with warm water. Pat dry with a face towel and feel how clean and soft your skin feels. Now it's the end of the day and I'm ready to take my makeup off before bed. I now apply the jelly without water and pick a pea-sized amount of product and gently apply to closed eyes to loosen my mascara and eye makeup. Then I grab about double the amount and apply the jelly to the rest of my face, melting the makeup away with my fingers. Once I've done that for about 30 seconds, I wet a face towel with warm water, wring out the excess and wipe across the face to ensure all traces of makeup are gone. And now, as you can see, no residue is showing on the towel. Fresh and clean and no makeup left. And as an extra step in your nighttime routine, apply the fig or bitty jelly all over the skin for a gua sha massage using our natural quartz face stone for lymphatic drainage. You can leave the jelly on the skin and go to bed.